Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you guys for coming. Today we are doing something that we were not supposed to be doing. We're doing the AP merch bag unboxing. Now, I did say I was going to cancel. I know, I'm sorry. I didn't purposely forget to cancel, but I'm kind of glad that I did forget to cancel because this happens an awful lot with this merch bag. Like, you get something good like once every, I don't know, 3 to 4 months. As you know, the last 2 months that I recorded, I was highly upset with what was in here. This time, it feels like there's a t-shirt in here. And the last time I got a t-shirt, it was a Warped Tour t-shirt, and it was really good. So, am I still sticking to my word and canceling? I don't know. We'll see. I guess we're going to have to see what's in this bag. I don't know. It's like that fear of losing out. I know you guys have heard that before. You know, some people will like, they don't want to cancel it because they're scared they're going to lose something. But anyway, this is the AP merch bag. It is a $21 subscription. It does come when it wants, basically. It's not like a certain, like our beauty boxes where they come at a certain time. We do get a magazine with this, and anybody that knows me knows that I'm in love with music, and that's why I highly love these, getting these bags and getting the magazines, because the magazines are great. So, let's see if I'm going to stick to my guns and cancel or not. So, let's go ahead and get into it. I don't want to rip anything. But anyway, that's what it, sometimes it comes in a box, sometimes it comes in a bag. As you see, it's kind of cute. It's got it scratched out from box to bag when they send a bag. So let's see. And normally it's like, I don't even want to say how many items because sometimes it's not even like, it's supposed to be like 5, but it's not even like that. All right, so this is what I'm pulling out. Looks like a cinch sack of some sort. And let's make sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing else in there, empty. So, let's see if I should have canceled or not. This is nuclearblast.com. Never heard of it. It's a nice little cinch sack though. Well, not actually, it's not even little. This is good for when we go to concerts and Warped Tour and stuff like that. So, let's see if I'm canceling, guys. So that's the first item, obviously, but not bad. Okay, so maybe I should have stuck to my gun. We'll see. All right, so good thing on the bag. All right, and then they want to send an old issue. I'm guessing this is old. Yeah, May of 2009. This is what the magazines that we get. They're very nice. They just redid these magazines. Really, they were a lot smaller, and the color wasn't as good in these. There's always a lot of great information in it, new bands and stuff like that. That's why I like to get them, because I read up on all the new bands and stuff. Because I like to listen to different things. Everything gets stale. So, it looks like there's some kind of poster in here, which I'm too old to be hanging posters in my room anymore. But this is Abandoned by Bears, The Years Ahead. Never heard of it. And then, oh, a broadside, which I did get one of their t-shirts through this bag before. Not bad. I mean, I'm not a little teenager hanging posters up in my room anymore, but I can give them to my kid. All right, and the next thing, this is kind of cute. I'm not going to say it's not. It is a little tape that says love songs on it. And back in the day when I was a little teenager, that was like, I probably had a tape that looked exactly like this and had love songs written on it. So that brings back some memories. That's kind of cool. I'm definitely going to put that somewhere. It's just a little pin. All right, and it looks like there is no t-shirt. One more item. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, I like it though. Not worth $21, but alternative press tea towel. I like it. Cute. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I don't know what to do. See, there was one time that I got a Jeffree Star lipstick in here. I've gotten, like I said, that a couple t-shirts. I don't know. I know I cancel, or I want to cancel it, and I started the Allure Beauty Box, so that was my reasoning for getting the Allure Beauty Box, because I was going to cancel this. I don't know. Guys, let me know in the comments what I should do. What would you do? Is it a waste of money? I don't know. Let me know, guys. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think it's worth it. Don't forget, because also a magazine, you know, the full-size magazine is also included every month in that $21. Plus you get this little bag. Let me know what you think, guys. Anyway, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for coming, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day, guys.